All right, so once you have assembled your Lego car, we're going to switch to creating an exploded view. Okay, let's first remove the just display and the plane display, but we want to leave the axis. Depending on how you assemble this, our default orientation might be different, or standard orientation might be different. So mine looks like this. Now, this assembled drawing can be disassembled by going to view, and you have here exploded view. It also exists here under your models tab under model display, and you have exploded view. Okay, so they're the same thing. So when I click exploded view, they will start disassemble, and depending on how the parts are created, it might be oriented like this, and your job is to um, explode them in a way that is easily recognizable on where parts go. Okay, so again, exploded view, and then non-exploded views. Okay, so this is exploded. When you uncheck this button here, it will go back. Okay, so because when I switch to exploded view, they just sort of like turn around, whatever. We need to keep track of what we're trying to place. Okay, so we're going to go back to exploded view, and just to remember, uh, this this tire, which is this one, can be changed to a. Let's go back here to appearance, and let's make that red. Okay, and this rim or wheels over here, which is this one, we're also going to turn red. Okay, just so that we can follow them. And when I click explode view, you can see that it's these two that are going to be actually on this side. Okay, so what we wanted to do is we want to click this, um, or actually go to explode view, and then select this part using edit position. Select this part, and then hold your control and select this part. And then there's three buttons here. This one allows you, the first button allows you to move it left, right, or up and down. Okay, so we can move it left, right, we can move it up, down, or move backwards and forwards. And this second button over here allows you to rotate that. Okay, but the first thing you need to do is you need to select an edge or an axis. Okay, so I'm gonna go down here and change to axis, so I can select one of these axes over here. That means I can rotate this way, and I have to pay attention to the angle here. And because I want it to face this way, I have to hold this symbol down and rotate it, and watch the angle over here. I want to rotate it 90 degrees. Right now it's at 360, right? If I rotate it 90 degrees, it will become 270. So I have to watch out for this angle to change to as close to 270 as possible. So there you go. And once it is close to 270 as possible, you release, you switch back to um, a slide, and then you can slide this like this. Okay. And then you can click OK to unselect, and then you can pull this back, okay, to select this one using edit position, select this, and press Control, select this one. Uh, we're just going to change the property. So we're going to just select these two, okay, press Control and select these two, and then put it back to color black. Oh, the inside wheel, okay, which is this one here, needs to be white. So pull this to white. There you go. So now when you unexplode the view, it's going to go back right here. Okay. And this, where does this go? If I explode this view, this is actually going back here. Okay. So for explode again, these two, okay, so edit position, these two, this one and this one, needs to rotate. So I'm going to switch to rotate. I'm going to pay attention to the angle over here. Okay. I have to select an axis first. I can also select an edge, but the axis is better. So select the axis here, and then I can now rotate and pay attention to this angle here. I'm going to rotate that, okay, back to 270 degrees. So as close to 270 as possible. There you go. Okay, and then switch to slide, and I can just slide it further away. Okay, and then simply click OK, and then unexplode and explode, and you can see that it's going on that direction. Okay, so they're now correct. Okay, these two are also needs to be rotated because this backside, if I explode this, goes in this direction. So these two wheels and all of this. So we're going to edit position this one and press control this one and that one. Okay, and I guess this one too needs to rotate. And I'm going to select an axis again. Needs to rotate this way. So I'm paying attention to, I want to rotate 90 degrees. So it's 0 or 360. If I rotate this way, I want to go until 90 degrees. So paying attention to here, I want it to be 90 degrees. Oh, as closest to 90 as possible. Oh, 91, back to 90, 5, 3, 9, one more. There you go. And then release. Okay. And then click OK, and then explode. So it looks like this one needs to also rotate. In what direction? So let's see. Explode. You get a page. Okay, so this one needs to rotate this way. So I'm going to edit position, select this, and then do rotation again. Select an axis here, and then do a rotation 90 degrees again. 90. Okay, pay attention to here. It's 90 degrees. It's not exact because this one is a superficial process. Okay, it's not superficial, but not exact, I guess. Okay, so just click OK, and then explode. All right, there you go. Okay, explode and explode. Now these other ones, they simply need to go up. This one needs to go up, and then this one and this one, select both of them. Press Control. This one will undo. This one and I guess this one. Let me just select this one first because I don't want this direction. Okay, I want this one and this one to go up. There you go. I want this to go up. Okay, and then this little steering wheel, when you click this needs to go out. All right, so you want to explode all of them and move them apart from each other. Um, and you don't want them to be covering another object. So this one needs to go down. Okay. This one also needs to probably go down a little bit. Okay, this one doesn't need to move. But yeah, explode them this way. And then on the next video, we are going to align them. Okay.